is my final project video. First of all, I'm most proud of my open project and random generator part in my project because I get to store the file into a TXT file and how to open it and read the file. I took a long time to figure out how to do it. Another part I'm most proud of is my own design random generator, as it is very easy to use. The user just need to right-click their mouse to get a random generator logo. Some challenge in this project, first of all, is definitely the open file part because currently my program will still crash if the TXT file is in the wrong format. And it's very hard to implement the file tree and to get a string name through the file tree. I took a long time to figure out how to do it. So another challenge part is my render file part. At first, I can only render the whole screen, which means instead of the specific area that I want. After some research, I noticed that I have to use the image.create function to take the screenshot of the specific area that I want to take. Some breakthroughs through this project, the most important part is the concept of file tree become more clear to me as I use a lot of time to figure out how to apply the file tree into the open file part. Another breakthrough is I get to go over the concept of input file and output file, which is something that I learned from CS2 class before. This project is still aligned with my original scope as I implement all the functions that's required for the logo maker, including the slider, menu bar, open, close, and new project window, and my own design random generator. And if I have more time, I'm very willing to implement the redo and undo function. And currently, the program can only run if the TXT file is in the right format. This line has to be a string, and all other lines have to be an integer. If something got run with this file, the whole program will crash. So this is something that I want to fix in the future. So I want to demonstrate my program now. As you can see, when the mouse is in the box and I right click on my mouse, all the value will be random generate except for the front. I can change the front by myself here. And when I like this logo, I can choose to export this image and it will show up on my empty.png here. Another thing is that I get to create a new project and open the project here. This is something that I create before. This is something that I create before based on this TXT file. And I can continue change the element here, including the text color as well as the background color. And after I finish, I can choose to close the project or quit the project to close the window. So that includes my presentation. Thank you very much.